Introducing the Atlas 46 rotating quick release clip, the fastest, most secure way to attach and rotate your gear. The system uses two components, the rotating disc and the quick release receiver. Slide the disc on your Atlas 46 tool pouch into the receiver, and the auto-locking mechanism instantly grabs hold, creating a secure, reliable connection. With 24 cant positions, you can rotate your tool pouch a full 360 degrees in precise 15-degree increments instantly. And when you need to remove your gear, the Quick Release tab makes detaching fast and effortless. The Quick Release receiver mounts to any belt, vest, or chest rig, giving you total flexibility no matter your setup. Whether you're adjusting for the perfect angle or swapping gear on the fly, the rotating Quick Release keeps you fast, efficient, and mission ready. Atlas 46, built for those who build. Upgrade your gear kit with Atlas 46 rotating quick release pouches